how to instantly hide messy rooms by blurring your FaceTime background on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, open up the FaceTime app. Next, start a FaceTime call. So here I'm going to start the FaceTime call. Now during the call, swipe down at the top and tap on video effects. Next, tap on portrait. Now make sure you tap on portrait. And once portrait has been enabled, you can drag on this depth bar. Drag it all the way to the right to increase the blurriness of the background. If you drag it to the left, it will reduce the blurriness. So if you want to make your background really blurry and hide of what's going on the background, you can increase it all the way to your right. And here, when you start the conversation, it will blur out your background. So here, if I have myself here, you can see my background all blurred out, so you can't actually see what's on the background. So here it is. You can see on this device right here, it is blurring out. And if you reduce or turn off the portrait mode, it will show the background. And that is how you can blur the background when you are on a FaceTime conversation. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.